Here are 5 benefits of applying vitamin E oil on your skin. Number 1, it nourishes the skin. Vitamin E makes the nerves stronger and helps in nourishing your skin from within. Number 2, treats stretch marks. Apply vitamin E oil onto the skin to increase levels of nutrients in the skin tissue. To reduce the appearance of these marks, apply it regularly on the area and rub gently. Vitamin E oil helps to regenerate new skin cells and can lighten brown spots or scars found on the face. Number 4, it treats dark circles. Applying vitamin E oil around the eyes is a great way to get rid of dark circles. Apply it for 2 to 3 days along with your normal cream and massage gently. And the last, number 5, treats chapped lips. Vitamin E oil works as a moisturizer and can help soften dry lips, making them soft and supple. Visit www.mystiqliving.com to grab your vitamin E oil and enjoy your beautiful skin. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe, and also comment below your skin problem so that we can solve your problem in the next video. Thank you so much.